In this video, we'll discuss the importance of having multiple development environments and the role each one plays in the software development process. Why do you need multiple development environments? Doesn't that just complicate things? Actually, no. Having multiple development environments simplifies, streamlines, and safeguards the development process. Let's examine why that is. If a developer makes changes directly to the code in a live website or app, and these changes cause something to break, it can mean disaster for a lot of people, especially if those customers can suddenly no longer access the website, or worse yet, we're in the middle of a transaction when the site broke. To safeguard against this, developers use multiple development environments. This allows them to stage and test new code before it's merged into the live or production code. What exactly do we mean by multiple development environments? A development environment refers to the phase in which you write, edit, test, stage, and deploy code. A typical setup has three main environments: the feature branch, the develop branch, also known as staging, and production. Let's dig in just a little deeper to this. The feature branch is where the team members write and test their code that's specific to a particular feature or bug. This allows them to work in isolation without worrying about writing over other team members' work. Typically, this environment is on the developer's local machine. If you're satisfied with the quality and stability of the code you've written, it can be moved to the develop branch. Many companies also call this the staging environment, as it's where the code is staged before it moves into production. Sometimes code that works just fine in the feature branch doesn't play nicely with the existing code after it's deployed. The develop branch allows you to test your new code first and avoid getting into this predicament. The develop branch should try to mimic the production environment as closely as possible. This will limit the opportunity for surprises when your code eventually runs in the production environment. The develop branch is also where the quality assurance team can run test cases and performance tests. Any bugs or issues found in the develop branch are reported back to the developers, who in turn improve the code and redeploy it to develop. Once the code has been thoroughly tested and meets all stability expectations, it can be merged into the main branch and pushed to production. Production is where your code is made available to users, usually by way of an easy to navigate URL. Remember, the next time that you're deploying an application, think about creating multiple environments. You'll be happy you did.